What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can use the MoneyGram mobile app to transfer money from the United States to Jamaica. So to get started, you can download the app from the Play Store or the App Store, or you can use the website. It doesn't matter, the steps are pretty much the same. So when you're registering, it's just going to ask you a few questions such as your first name, last name, email address, and your password. So here I have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account. Once you're in the mobile app, select send. Specify the amount of money that you want to send, let's say $10. Here it's going to show how much the person will receive. Then you are going to select done. Here you have the option to choose how you want to pay. Whether you're going to pay with a debit card, credit card, or you can even do cash and pickup location. Now Interac is for Canadians, that's why I'm seeing that option, right? Now you have two methods for deposit. You can send it directly to their bank account, or you can do a cash pickup. That's up to you, right? So let's do cash pickup because most people are used to that. So select next. Here you would add the receiver name. So when you select add manually. Then it's going to ask you for their first name. Last name, middle name is optional. Then you specify their last name and then the country and then their mobile phone number, which is optional as well, right? So I'm just going to step back and select an existing account which I have on file. So I'm just going to select MRJ Morrison. On this page, it will ask you for your credit or debit card information depending on the method which you choose to pay. Now, when you're sending from the United States, there may be an option for you to send to a debit card. If you see that option, you can go with that option. They provide their debit card to you and then you send it to their debit card. The money will be available instantly with that option. So here, I'm just going to select my card. It's going to ask me to validate using the CVV. So here, I'm just going to enter the CVV number. So here, I'm just going to select done. This is just some information about protecting yourself from fraud. So select next. And then you're almost done. So this is just a summary of your transaction, who you're sending the money to, the amount they will receive, the receiving method, the payment method, and any other information that you want to add. When you scroll down, you'll see that it will cost you about $10. Now, I don't want to send any money right now, so I'm not gonna hit submit transaction. But you should get the general idea of how you can go about using the MoneyGram mobile app to send money to Jamaica. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.